In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Nomad ESE Map on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You will see the familiar icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the store will launch, displaying various apps and games. If you are not logged in, the system may prompt you to enter your Google account details. This step is crucial because it allows you to download apps and manage your purchases. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once the store is open, you are ready to search for the Nomad ESE map. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the screen. The search bar is typically marked with a magnifying glass icon. After tapping it, your keyboard will pop up, ready for you to type. Now type Nomad eSIM into the search bar. As you type, you might see suggestions appear beneath the search bar. This feature helps you find the app faster. It is important to enter the correct name to ensure you find the official app. Once you finish typing, look for the search button on your keyboard and tap it to see the results. After the search results appear, you will need to select the official Nomad eSIM prepaid data plan app developed by Lotus Flare. This is the app you want, so take a moment to verify the developer's name. Doing this prevents you from downloading an unofficial or potentially harmful version of the app. The official app will have a distinct logo and positive ratings. This step is key because downloading the right app ensures you get the features and security that come with the official version. Once you find it, simply tap on it to proceed. Now look for the Install button on the app's page. This button is typically green and positioned prominently. When you tap Install, the app will begin downloading to your device. You may see a progress bar indicating how much of the download is complete. This is an important moment because it confirms that the app is being installed correctly. You will receive a notification once the installation is complete, and this will reassure you that the app is ready to use. Once that is done, you can find the Nomad ESE map on your home screen or in your app drawer. Look for the app icon, which should resemble the logo you saw earlier. Tapping on the icon will launch the app, and you are now set to explore its features. This step allows you to access all the benefits of the Nomad eSIM service right from your Android device. You can feel confident that you have successfully completed the installation process. You have now learned how to download the Nomad ESE map on your Android device. Each of these steps plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth installation. Following this guide will help you set up the app without any issues. Remember, you can always revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and enjoy using the Nomad ESE map for your data needs.